Yeah, hello, hello, yeah. So, my name is Crypto Lord. You can call me Crypto Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I want to do this arbitrage for you to see. There's an opportunity right now that I think I want to do it for you to see. So, I'll be using a black market platform to do it. And if you're my students, you know much about black market platform and when and where to trade. You can see that recently I've been doing videos with the regulated ones without a black market platform because we have time to trade with black market platforms. Yeah. And this is the right time for you to do with the black market platform. By the way, before I continue, I have a class coming up this month that's on the 26th of this month, and since Bybit has sponsored this class, like instead of you paying 200 Ghana cedis, you be paying 100 Ghana cedis. So instead of you paying $20, you be paying $10. I think 9 point something dollars. It's not even up to $10. Yeah. So I have the link in my bio. If you click on the link, you get access to all the black market platform that is currently raining right now, and this is the right time for you to make enough money. Yeah. So if I come to the platform, this one, the strategy is what is buy and convert, strategy, buy and convert strategy. And so it's buy and convert arbitrage, buy and convert crypto arbitrage. So before you do everything, first of all, you have to check the address fee, and right now the address are the same. So I'm trading with Solana. Yeah, Solana right now. Solana. So let me go here and do deposit. So Solana. And have to know that we have one Sol and Solana. You have to know the difference. So the withdrawal, then I'll see the fee. Yeah, withdrawal. So I'll go to my assets here, withdrawal here. Solana here. Solana here. So over here, so the network, so the minimum, so the fee is 1.22. So it means that any amount of money that will be transferring from Bybit to the black market platform, they will deduct us $1.22. So you have to know that the profit that you'll be making, if you deduct 1.22 from 8, will it be profitable? So if it's yes, then it's profitable. So before you start, you will buy. So the buy, first of all, don't go to futures. We are using spots. Yeah, spot trading. Yeah, to do it. Yeah. So if you are buying one Solana, you'll be getting 153. But as a beginner, maybe you have just $40, and this one you can do as many as you want. So just $40. So let's say if you have $40 right now, you'll be getting 0.260 Solana. 0.260 Solana. Then you close the platform and you come to the black market platform here. So here I've already switched to the convert. Yeah. So I'm converting Solana to USDT. So 0.26 0.26, yeah, 0.260. So it means that I'll be making 45.14. So if I'm using 39 to do it, or even if I'm using 40, that means I'll be taking home 5.1. Then I'll deduct 1.2 from it. So let's say I'll be taking home 3.5 USDT profit on every transaction that I'll be making with $40 capital. So imagine I'll be getting 3.5, and I'm able to do this 3.5, and I'm able to do this let's say 50 times or 30 times every day, 30 times every day. So it means that every day I'm making 105 Ghana cedis. So if you're in Ghana, 105 times 12.5 is 1312 every day. So it means that every day you're making 1312 every day. 1312 every day. Yeah. So this is how you do it. So the higher the profits, the higher the capital, the higher the profits. So if I'm trading with, let me use, so when you have to do this calculation before you start trading, so that you know like where, how much you're taking home, so that even if you want to invest more, you invest more. So let's say if I want to start with like one Solana, so one Solana will cost me 153, right? For one Solana, 153. So if I come to the platform here and I input one Solana, it means that I'll be making 173, and I invested 153. So I have $20 as profit, and $20 times 50, $20 times 50 times, I'm making $1,000 every day, and 50 times, at times you'll be like to me. So let's say 20 times 20 times 20. Okay, the profit is 20 times 50 times 20 times 50 times is 1,000. So let's say 20 times 20, you'll be able to do 20 times every day, and the profit is 20. You're making you're making 400, and let's say the fee is 1.2. So I'll deduct 1.2 from it, making it, let's say, let's use 18. Okay, let's see, 18 times 20 times, you're making $360 every day. $360 times 12.5, making 4,500 Ghana cedis every day. You're making 4,000 every day. So one thing is, when you make this money, then you withdraw this money into your account, then you come back again to do it. Yeah. So the reason why I deposit $40, you can use $40 as a beginner. You can use $40 here to start everything, and still be making $3 every day. You're making $3 every day. So $3 per trade. And if you are able to make more trades, it means that we will be making a lot of profit. You see, so the more you trade, the more you make profit. Is that thing? Yeah. So if you want mentorship too, you can DM me. Like, I will teach you everything about arbitrage, how to start arbitrage from scratch and stuff. And if you want to join this month's class too, is on 26th of this month. That one, I have the link in the bio. Join it, and let's meet and let's learn much about crypto arbitrage. So like, we have dollar arbitrage, we have triangular arbitrage, we have crypto arbitrage, and this one is buy and convert arbitrage. That one there, my name is yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm out.